Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to download and install Xampp Server in your Windows operating system. So let's start. Just open the browser you like, then click over here, download Xampp Server. So here is the link. Click on the first link, download Xampp, and just click on the download button. I have 64-bit operating system, so I will click on it. If you have Linux operating system, then you can download it from here. So just click on the download button. So the download will start automatically. If not started, so you can click over here, then your download will start. I can click over here. So let's just so here you can download it. So I will save it on the desktop. So it will install quickly. So let's check the downloads. So the file size is 145 MB. So I will return back when the download is completed. So So the download is completed. Here we have the setup of Xampp server. So what we have to do, you have to double click on it. Click on yes button. You have to give permission to it. It will to be installed in your system. So uh, wait a while. So the Xampp server downloading is start. This notification will appear to all users. So just ignore it. So click on the next button. The next button. Here you can select the location where you want to install it. So I want to install it in the C folder. Either you want to install it to another directory, so you can select it from here. So just click on the next button. So we have to select the empty folder. So on the desktop, I will create a new folder over here called Xampp Server. So new folder, create a new folder, write the name of the folder like Xampp Server. So server. It has to install the file. It will install the Xampp Server files which are required to run SQL. That's why we have to install it in the folder. So I have created a folder on desktop. So on desktop, what we have Xampp Server. So click on it, click on the next button, next, then the installation will start. So I will be returned back when the installation is completed. So the installation is completed. So just click on this button and search for Xampp. So here is the Xampp control panel. So it means our Xampp server is installed in our Windows operating system. So just to run MySql on your operating system, you have to run Apache and MySql. Just click on start button and start button. You are able to run the Apache and MySql. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.